Welcome to our training on getting recommendations for new and existing case packs. At Amazon, we support 3 package configuration types: single unit, case pack, and pallet. In this video, we'll focus on case packs, which are common in higher volume business-to-business or B2B sales and can help attract Amazon business customers. We'll demonstrate how sellers can use the Case Pack Product Opportunities tool to get recommendations. To use the Case Pack Product Opportunities tool, you need to meet 2 basic requirements: be a professional seller and be either internal to a brand enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry or an authorized reseller. To access the tool in Seller Central, open the main menu, hover over B2B, then click B2B Central. On the next page, click Case Pack Recommendations. You'll see tabs for 2 kinds of recommendations. The first section, Add New Case Packs, shows products you currently sell as single units. These products aren't yet listed in the Amazon store as case packs by you or other sellers. They belong to a brand enrolled in Brand Registry that you're either internal to or authorized by. The products in the Add New Case Packs section of the tool are ranked according to the number of orders you've received from Amazon business customers for multiple units. Multi-unit orders can be an indication that there may be demand for a product to be sold as a case pack. Next to each product, we list the number of orders you've received for 5 or more units in the last year. We also list the sales associated with those orders and provide a suggested size for a case pack. We base suggested case pack sizes on the number of units that Amazon business customers have most frequently purchased from you. If you decide to create a new case pack listing based on a recommendation, you have 2 options. You can click the Create Case Pack button to create a standalone listing for your case pack, or you can click Enroll in Amazon Bulk Services to establish a package hierarchy and create a consolidated listing that features both your case pack and the product as a single unit. We recommend the second option because creating a consolidated listing makes it easier for customers to find, compare, and purchase products in different quantities and configurations. Consolidated listings also automatically enroll case packs in Amazon Bulk Services or ABS. This program supports bulk B2B sales with enhanced tools and benefits, including lower referral fees on eligible case packs. If you decide to create a consolidated listing, click Enroll in Amazon Bulk Services to go to our Creating a Package Hierarchy help page. This page provides step-by-step instructions for generating and completing an inventory file for both your case pack and the package hierarchy you want to establish between it and the single unit of the product. It also explains how to upload your inventory file to Seller Central to create your consolidated listing. In addition to reviewing the help page, we encourage you to watch our Seller University video, Amazon Bulk Services, Create Consolidated Listings for Case Packs and Pallets. If you decide to create a standalone listing for your case pack instead of a consolidated one, click the Create Case Pack button. You'll be brought to product information pages where you can make entries and selections for your case pack using our standard listing process. The second section in the Case Pack Product Opportunities tool, Add New Offers, shows case packs that are already listed in the Amazon store by other sellers. Like the individual products on the previous tab, these case packs belong to a brand enrolled in Brand Registry that you're either internal to or authorized by. The case packs in the list are ranked according to the number of total orders that Amazon business customers placed for them in the last year. Next to each case pack, we provide a suggested price. We base suggested prices on current B2B featured offer prices for case packs. If you don't see a suggested price, that means there's currently no featured offer for the case pack. If you decide to match an offer to an existing case pack listing, click the Add an Offer button to go to the offer page, where you can enter your pricing and quantity information using our standard process. Or, if you want to add an offer and also create a consolidated listing for the case pack with its single unit or another configuration of the product, you can click Enroll in Amazon Bulk Services to go to the Amazon Bulk Services Creating a Package Hierarchy help page. You'll use the same process we outlined earlier in this video, but will only need to provide offer information for the case pack. In addition to viewing recommendations within the Case Pack Product Opportunities tool, you can use the Download Report button to save recommendations in a spreadsheet. This can help create a record of the recommendations we provide, which are refreshed regularly. Remember that while using any part of the Case Pack Product Opportunities tool, the tool might not include every product or case pack you can create or match a listing for. This concludes our training on getting recommendations for new and existing case packs. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!